Hey, how's it going, Sean? Quick demo video for you for your KR Sabers Regiis. I got this done, I think, this morning. I just had some work I wanted to get done before I sit down and do demos. But this is installed the Proffie. You've got CC Sabers in here for your lit PCB, and of course, it has two buttons set up. So your main switch right here, and then your auxiliary switch will be back here, right? And then how to get to everything is you just want to unscrew this pommel. I've taken the venting on this pommel and I backed it out so that the sound is good, but you need to keep this part in the middle backed out so that the sound is good. If you screw it back in, deafen the sound. So just be wary of that. When you take this off, you'll see your chassis here. It'll slide right out into your hand. This is my chassis. So you've got a removable battery set up. You can come over here and pop the battery out. You can see this is your battery cradle right here. I got the kill switch in there that you asked me for, and of course your Proffie board right here. This is the board that you provided. It is just a snap fit down into the shelf, so you can pop it out to get to your SD card and put fonts on there, whatever you want to do, and then snap it back down. If you feel like it's become loose on you in the future, I do put a little cutout here for a 1/4-inch piece of art tape that will hold it down. But for right now, it's down there nice and snug. It's not going anywhere, right? So we'll throw the battery in this guy. The battery is a super snug fit, and you have a 24mm Smuggler's Outpost speaker, but it's fully enclosed, so it sounds really good. For now, it's just a stock font package, right? So just take this, flip it on, just like that. On this particular font, it doesn't have a boot up, so you're not going to hear anything. But just take it. You have two grooves right here on each side of your chassis, and that is because there are two screws in here that this thing has to clear, right? So normally on these PCBs you could put this in like however you wanted to in the Saber, but I would say just line up the top of the board with your main switch so it goes all the way in. All right, and then we'll take this pommel and screw it all the way in. The pommel does need to be screwed on tight so that the pins engage. And then you can come over here and hit activation. You got your smooth swings working. Auxiliary. Now for now, I did give you twist off, but I didn't give you swing on. Okay. We'll back the blade retention screw out of this guy and we'll put a blade in real quick. This does take a 1-inch diameter NeoPixel blade. We'll throw that in real quick. Lock it down. Which is just your one blade retention right here. Blade lock up. Or another sound font. Don't be afraid to press on these buttons. It's not going to do anything with a light tap. You really need to press it. And of course, it's a long press on the activation to play your soundtrack. And then another long press to turn it off. Just like that.
Smooth fuzz.
There you are. Nice shine through in your window right there. And we'll go ahead and we'll take the blade out of this guy. And of course you don't have to take the battery out if you don't want to because you got a kill switch, but we still need to take the chassis out to get to that, right? So we'll just come over here again and unscrew the pommel. Slide that out in our hand and then we can just come over here and flip the switch. I'm going to leave the battery in it because it comes with your Saber. And that's pretty much your Regiis. Let me know if you got any questions, and if not, I actually will get this out in the mail to you Monday because the post office here is closed on Saturdays. Okay, thanks.